Hey, this is Tracy. It is almost graduation time. Yay! And BYU is a huge university here in Utah. So in this video, I'm just going to show you one version of a BYU graduation cake for a special someone graduating in the medical field. I'm going to mix a little gum paste with my fondant so it will dry super stiff. Rolling it fairly thin because I want it to look like paper. This is going to be the little diploma that I put on top of the cake. I'll cut out a rectangle and roll it up. I won't roll it all the way up though, because I want it to have a little movement on the edge there. And I'm going to let it dry overnight or for 2 days. Then I'll start working on the graduation cap. For this, I just use a piece of cardboard. And no one will be eating this fondant, so it doesn't really matter if it touches the cardboard. With a little water, I'll glue it on. Flip it over. I find that if I cut from center to corner, it lays much nicer. Then with some water, I will stick it all down. Using some modeling chocolate, I will cut out the letters. I find that modeling chocolate cuts much neater than fondant or gum paste. And because it's modeling chocolate, I'm using piping gel to stick it down. An outer oval for this one and a nice blue outline for that one. And also a pink outline for both. Time to stick it on the cake. Put the BYU on the top 6-inch cake and the big Y on the bottom 8-inch cake. Stack those babies up. And put a pretty pink ribbon down at the bottom. Another little ribbon to border the top tier. And also a little blue ribbon to border the bottom tier. And of course, the congratulations. With piping gel, I will stick on the graduation top, but I'll support it with some straws before I do so. And to make it extra secure, I'm sticking a toothpick down the center. Using my hand steamer, I will steam all that cornstarch off so it looks nice, clean, and shiny. I created this tassel with my extruder. I extruded some blue and some white. And with some piping gel, I'm sticking it on the cake so it doesn't fall off in transit. Now it's time to make the stethoscope. I'll make the listening device. Here's the earpiece, then the little buds that go in your ear. A little teeny coil to go around the bottom. I'm sticking a toothpick in here and using piping gel. I really want that to be secure on the cake. Smoothing it up a little bit. Gluing the top down. Let's see, where do I want to put this? That looks good, a little too long. There we go, perfect. Now a little ribbon for my diploma that is all dried. Stick that to the top also. And it's finished. Thank you for watching. If you would like to see more cakes like this, let me know in the comments. So recently I teamed up with a company called Scale About. It's a platform where you can go on and you can ask me a question. And then I will come on a video just like this and answer you directly and personally. Go to scaleabout.com. I am going to leave a link down in the description box and ask me your questions. I would love to hear from you. Bye.